Quadra-Fire wood stoves, inserts, and fireplaces are famous for their patented 4-point quad burn combustion system. The primary burn zone is initiated from the coal bed. It is the most important burn zone, ensuring that air flows into the heart of the fire. The secondary burn zone is visible during initial stages of combustion. A combination of the primary and secondary zones causes air movement behind the door, aiding in combustion. This rolling flame also helps keep the glass clean. A tertiary burn occurs under the baffles and is visible during most stages of combustion. This creates a ceiling of fire where superheated air ignites flammable gases rising from the wood. Lastly, the quaternary burn zone is above the baffle, and where remaining impurities are burned before they exit upwards through the chimney. Quadra-Fire's quad burn technology thoroughly burns all of the wood, gases, smoke, and impurities. It produces maximum heat and long burn times, requiring fewer trips to the wood pile.